Welcome to my YouTube channel, Grade 9 Science English Medium. In this video, I am going to discuss about plant growth substances. Have you ever thought how does a stem of a plant grows upwards and its roots grow downwards after the seed germination? Now refer to this activity. Here what can happen? A stem of a plant grows upwards and its roots grow downwards, even the plant falls down. That means always shoot of the plant grows upward and root system grows downward. Now we'll discuss activity 2. You need two similar potted plants for this activity. The step is cut and remove the apex of one plant. Then measure the heights of both plants. Supply same environmental conditions for both plants and measure their heights daily for a week. Then you can observe the plant with the apex grows and its height increases, while the height of the plant without the apex does not change. So you can make your conclusion now. There is an effect of the apex on plants to increase their height. Now we'll refer to the activity 3. You need two similar potted plants, the box covered with the black paper. Cut and remove the apex of one plant. Place the two plants inside the box in a way that both plants get light only from one direction. So you can arrange the setup like this. Then you can get your observations. The plant with the apex grows to the direction of the light and the plant without the apex does not turn towards the light. Then you can make your conclusion. There is an effect of the apex on the growth of a plant. The reason is the chemical compounds synthesized in plant apex. The chemical compounds which regulate the growth of a plant are known as plant growth substances. Some growth substances promote the growth of a plant, while some inhibit the growth of a plant. Some plant growth substances that promote the growth of plants are given below: Auxins, Gibberellins, and Cytokinings. Now we'll find out about auxins. What are known as auxins? Auxin is a growth promoting hormone in plants which produce in the tips of the shoots and roots. Auxins stimulate cell elongation in the stem and root. Stem apex turn towards light due to dissimilar cell elongation of stem. Now refer to the diagram. When light falls, auxins diffuse downward. Then collection of auxins in areas where intensity of light is low. Then growth of the tip towards light due to the cell elongation of that area with more auxin concentration. Auxins produced in the apex diffuse downwards. It speeds up the growth of new cells and the shoot of the plant grows upwards. IAA, Indole acetic acid, is a natural growth substance found in plants. Auxin concentration more in the side of plant where intensity of light fall is low, and auxin concentration less in the other side of the plant. Auxin move to the darker side of the plant, causing the cells there to grow longer than corresponding cells on the other side of the plant. This causes a curving of the plant stem tip towards the light. This is known as positive phototropic movement. Movement is taken place towards the light. Auxins also inhibit the growth of lateral buds. Pruning of plant apex is practiced in horticulture to maintain bushy plants. Gibberellins. Gibberellin promotes mainly the elongation of the stem and growth of the fruits. Cytokining. Cytokining accelerates the cell division, so the growth of flowers, leaves, fruits and roots get accelerated. They stimulate seed germination and delay plant aging. Acetic acid is a plant growth substance. It is a chemical substance that causes closing of stomata when the plant experiences shortage of water. Thus, it decreases transpiration. Ethene is a simple organic compound which produces in low amounts in plants. It is necessary for ripening of fruits. In ripening, starch stored in plants converted to sugar. If a plant is damaged, ethene released to the wound area and a new tissue forms to recover the wound. Now we'll find out the reason for falling leaves and fruits when matured. When you observe a stalk of a naturally fallen leaf and a stalk of a broken leaf, it would be clear to you that the naturally fallen leaf stalk has a clear abscission layer. The reason for making an abscission layer is the reduction results in the amount of growth substances in fruits and leaves with their maturity. As a result, fruit fall and leaf fall takes place in plants. What are the uses of artificial growth substances? 2,4-DPA, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid and 2,4,5-TPA, 2,4,5-trichlorophenoxyacetic acid are used as a broadleaf weedicide for paddy fields. IAA indole acetic acid and IBA indole butyric acid are used to reduce root formation of stem cuttings and to grow fruits quickly. NAA naphthalene acetic acid is used to prevent premature fruit drop to induce flowering in pineapple in off seasons. Cytocell is used to get mango fruits in the off season. Now select the correct or most suitable answer for the following multiple choice questions. Number 1. The figure shows the growth of a plant close to a window. What can be there in the side to which its apex has grown? That is light. Number 2. An artificial growth substance that is used to encourage root formation of a stem cutting is indole acetic acid. Number 3. Select the incorrect statement regarding growth substances. Organic substances control physiological activities in plants. Growth substances can be artificially synthesized for use. Some are used for inducing fruit formation. Stimulate the growth only. So incorrect answer is the fourth one. Stimulate the growth only. Now question number 4. 3 artificially synthesized growth substances are given below. Indole acetic acid, indole butyric acid, naphthalene acetic acid. Which of these are useful in initiating roots? That is A and B only, indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid. Number 5. What is the artificial substance used to prevent premature fruit drop and to induce flowering in pineapple in off seasons? That is NAA, naphthalene acetic acid. Question number 2. Chemical substances and their effect for plant growth is mentioned in A and B columns. Match A and B correctly. Auxins, cell elongation. Cytokinings, cell division. Gibberellins, stem elongation. Now we have come to the end of the lesson. I think you all have learned the lesson well. Then we'll meet again in another lesson. Thank you.